Important things you need to think about in August when it's hot and everything's burnt up. When you weed eat edges here every single week, most of our properties end up with big, huge dirt lines between the pavement, the sidewalk, and the actual grass. That's because we're just simply over weed eating. So this time of year, I do alternate every other week on my edging, because I'll show you real quick. Boom. See how that goes all the way to the pavement? There's no dirt line in between. Well, the more dirt lines you put there, the more weeds that will pop up. You won't have grass growing there anymore. All you'll have is weeds popping up in that dirt. So just a little advice, kind of don't edge everything, and when you do, just lightly edge it, just barely tap it. Welcome back, warriors. Another episode of Elite Landscapes Life Stories. I got 2 days of work till I take my big vacation. So today's video, we're gonna show you the yards it takes for us to make over $1,000 a day just mowing grass. And if I did it by myself, I would have started at 7 a.m. and I would have finished at 7 p.m. I have my boys with me, so we started at 10 and we should be done by 6. So stick around and we'll show you what $1,000 a day is in mowing and lawn care. This is our first stop here. It's all push mowing, and it's all tightly manicured. Every single week, weeds get taken care of, and yeah, push mowed and bagged. We do this property for $200 a visit. Let's do it. And it's $200 because there's a lot of grass to push mow, a lot of edges to hit, and a lot of mulch to keep clean. So yeah, takes us a little bit of time and effort, but ain't nothing that y'all haven't done already in life. It's just push mowing. So plenty of the guys ask, how do you get into these nice big neighborhoods with these beautiful homes? And honestly, this neighborhood, I got in here just passing out flyers. I would come early Sunday mornings in the dark, and I would slide the flyer in their little paper box slot. And first thing they see Sunday mornings when they were either leaving for church or pulling in. And yeah, it worked. And I was working at that one, and this gentleman had his house built and came out, asked me to take care of it. So here I am. Pretty simple place once you get the hang of it. It's 90 for this one, 70 for that one, and we do bed maintenance and weeds and trimming and mulching and plantings and all sorts of good stuff for these amazing clients. I'll check back in with some footage. Long walk. Almost like I planned on matching the sky today. I didn't. It just happens to be amazing out. So it's been 3 hours and we're at 390. So we're gonna roll on to the log home that we were just at pulling weeds. Let's knock it out and see how beautiful it is. Come on. All right, so the log home is $200 a mow, and that's all we're doing today is mowing the grass. We were just out here Saturday, so they like it extra short, so we'll get to drop it a 1/4 inch today and give it extra short in preparations of me not being here next week. So I don't know if I get any footage or really much to see, so y'all stick around and we'll check in with more figures on adding these places up. So that little backyard, we do a little weekly visit for $60 just to push mow it, bag it, edge it, and blow it. And this is the house that I had the upcoming landscape on that we're going to try to do in mid-September, October, just because it's always better to plant when it's cooler temperatures. But I figured y'all would like this view, so I'm going to show you real quick. All right, so these are normally 45, and when we do some extra work here and there, it's extra 45. So we hit 90 today on this one, do the same thing on the next small one. And keep on rolling, adding up that money. On a beautiful, easy day. All right, nothing hard about it. Just mowing grass and cleaning stuff up. Let's roll. So there you have it. It's 6 o'clock at night. We started at 10 o'clock in the morning. That's an 8-hour day for the 3 of us, and it was like $1,055. So no complaints here, no complaints there, and I got one more working day to my vacation. Hey, as always, be good if you can, always be kind, and above all, love each other. Elite Landscape style. Peace.